Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NxtGen Network Engineers. So the aim of this channel is to create the next generation network engineers. Okay, so if you have the question like who is the next generation network engineers, yes, that will be you once you start watching my videos. Okay, you may have some other questions like who are you? Okay, let me answer that question first. Okay, I'm a network security engineer and I'm also a trainer. I have been giving training for multiple students across the globe. Okay, what do you teach? Okay, I teach networking, CCNA, CCNP, like previously routing and switching, and now it's enterprise. I used to teach wireless, data center, service provider, a lot of topics. We are gonna see everything in this video series. Okay, and I also teach security topics like CCNA security or firewalls like Checkpoint, Fortinet, and ethical hacking, CH. Like if you're interested into ethical hacking topics like scanning or like related to network and network security, yes, we do. And I'll also cover some of the Windows topics, and if you are interested in Linux, yes, I will post some videos on Linux. If you are interested into automation, yes, I'll post some of the videos in automation. And if you're good at Python or if you want to learn Python, yes, I'm gonna teach you Python also. Okay, so if you have a question like, is this required for a network engineer? Yes, not for a traditional network engineer. All these skills are like becoming mandatory for the next generation network engineer. Yes. So if you ask me why are you here? Yes, I'm here to share some of my knowledge to you. Yes, you can subscribe my channel and you can keep on watching my videos and you can start learning a lot of things out of the scope of network engineer. Yep. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to share this to any of your friends, please do share in Facebook, WhatsApp, or if you have any technical groups. Yes, if you like or if you don't like, or if you want me to correct something, or like if I'm doing something wrong, just leave a comment. Okay, and please do subscribe and support. Based on the support, like my interest will grow. Okay, and I'll keep on posting videos from weekly to daily. Okay, and hit the bell button to get notifications on new videos. Okay, I'll be posting. I'm trying to limit the video size to like 10 minutes or 15 minutes so that like you can learn anything in your break time or like quickly. Yep. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.